Makadini, welcome back to Shona Land, and in this video I'll be teaching you yet another phrase that you're supposed to know in Shona. Let's get started. So the phrase that I'm going to teach you today, that I'm going to translate for you, it's my heart's beloved. In Shona, when we translate it, it's Wadiwa, Wepamoyo. Wadiwa, Wepamoyo. My heart's beloved. In Shona, Wadiwa, Wepamoyo. So to recap, the English phrase is my heart's beloved. In Shona, Wadiwa, Wepamoyo. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave a comment, subscribe, and like our videos. Thank you. Ndatenda.